wishing you a day of deep clarity and quiet inspiration. Welcome back. There is a special kind of beauty in things that have been touched by time. The silvered grain of old barnwood, the patina on a weathered copper kettle, or the soft moss on a garden stone. Today, we are bringing those storied textures to your doorstep. Turn a tiny outdoor space into a cozy farmhouse escape. We are focusing on the art of the lived-in look. We'll show you how to layer these honest, tactile materials to make even the most modest outdoor corner feel like a timeless, comfortable country getaway. This garden speaks in textures: rough brick, smooth wood, velvety petals, creaking chairs under bare feet. Benches invite lingering. Planters overflow with purpose. Even the fence wears its age proudly, holding back nothing but inviting everything in. It's proof that rustic charm doesn't need polish, only presence. Here, meals begin outside, nurtured by sun, soil, and steady hands. A sanctuary where food feeds the body, beauty feeds the spirit, and belonging is planted one bloom at a time. Flagstone steps meander through lavender haze and golden daylilies toward a timber-clad cottage worn soft by time. Terracotta pots hold geraniums beside the door. Vines climb like living curtains. This isn't just entry, it's invitation, where every petal is a welcome mat, and peace grows wild between fence and flower. A farmhouse soul where beauty doesn't wait for seasons. It creates them. Brick paths wind past purple lavender and sculpted boxwoods toward a wooden table shaded by golden-leafed trees. Wrought iron chairs wait beneath hanging lanterns. Terracotta pots hold clouds of white flowers against warm stucco. This isn't just eating outdoors, it's living rooted in rhythm, where meals begin beside blooming hydrangeas, and peace is served on hand-carved wood beneath starlit skies. Sunlight filters through canopy leaves onto a porch framed by climbing vines and potted greens. The door, black as midnight, flanked by blooms that bloom without permission. It's not manicured, it's magical, where utility becomes ornament, and discard turns into delight. A farmhouse soul where silence speaks louder than words, and belonging is planted one pot at a time. Wooden chairs circle a rustic table holding a single potted herb, shaded by cascading vines that drape like living lace over roof and fence. Terracotta pots spill white blossoms beside stone steps. Sunlight filters through leaves in golden patches. This isn't just seating, it's sanctuary, where tea tastes sweeter, silence speaks louder, and home feels less like walls, and more like arms wrapped around you by twilight. Sunset gilds the vines as pink roses cascade over timber beams and weathered benches. A low table holds a bowl of blooms. Moss creeps between flagstones like nature's grout. This isn't just seating, it's serenity served daily. Where time slows, tea tastes richer, and home feels less like walls, and more like arms opened wide by twilight's glow. Vines weave overhead like living lace. Beneath them, weathered wood holds space for quiet suppers and slower thoughts. Pink roses spill from every surface. Walls, pots, even the air. Stone steps guide bare feet through green hedges toward a door half hidden in bloom. This isn't just gardening, it's grace made visible. Where time dissolves into petals, and home grows wild between fence and flower. A weathered wood table stretches beneath a canopy of vines, holding a bowl of blooms like an offering to slow afternoons. Brick walls wear ivy like jewelry. Terracotta pots spill lavender and hydrangeas along the stone path. This isn't just dining, it's dwelling in grace. Where every meal is framed by leaves, and peace grows wild between fence and flower. White roses cascade over timber beams as sunlight spills across brick pavers onto a worn wooden bench cradling linen pillows. Terracotta pots brim with blossoms. Vines climb walls like living lace. This isn't just seating, it's sanctuary. Where time slows, petals fall like whispers, and home feels less like walls, and more like arms opened wide by twilight's glow. Weathered wood cradles silence beneath canopy shade. Beside it, gravel crunches softly past terracotta pots spilling greenery and violet clusters. Stone steps lead to a cottage cloaked in vines, its windows glowing like eyes watching over growth. This isn't just seating, it's surrender, where time dissolves into leaf litter, and home grows wild between fence and flower. The true character of a farmhouse escape isn't found in what is new, but in the textures that tell a story of seasons past. We hope today's look at aged wood and soft textiles has encouraged you to embrace the charm of the well-loved in your own outdoor spaces. Thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and allowing us to be a part of your home inspiration journey. Take care of your space, celebrate the character in every detail, and live beautifully.